yeah. What?
Yo, what's your name? Yo, what's your name?
All systems go.
Hey everyone, DJ Hill Nazareth with United City Plugin, bringing you another plugin review of one of my favorite gadgets I picked up a month ago, the APEMAN A87 action camera. Now before I continue, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, everything used in this video will be in the description section. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below or email us at info@unitedcdjp.com. Once again, info@unitedcdjp.com. So I'm going to talk about the A87 in the following 4 to 5 parts. The contents included with the action camera, the features and settings using the action cam. We're also going to show the video and picture quality indoor and outdoor along with the audio feedback, and finally the pros and cons using the A87. Now once again, hit the like and subscribe button, and all materials used in the review will be in the description section.
All systems go.
The APEMAN A87 costs $80 available at Amazon.com. What makes this camera so sweet is that it comes with an assortment of accessories, such as a durable waterproof carrying case, a waterproof case, multiple mounts and stickers, a micro USB cable, a remote control, instruction manual, and of course the main attraction, all neatly packed in the carrying case. The APEMAN A87 is coined as a poor man's GoPro action camera for under $100. With a maximum video resolution of 4K over 60 frames per second, and waterproof is up to 131 feet over 40 meters, which makes it fully waterproof. The A87 features 8x zoom, several professional shooting modes including slow motion and time lapse, a 2-inch touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, and a HDMI output for extra connectivity. However, the HDMI cable is not included. Also, the APEMAN app is also available to download, which I will show later on in this video. So let's configure and set up the A87, trying out several settings before going outside to video several sceneries throughout the city. First, we're going to power on the camera, followed by going into the preference settings. Now keep in mind, we're only going to pay attention to the EIS and the frequency settings, since it is the most important feature on any action camera. Also, the remote control is a great tool, especially if your camera is mounted on any tripod. I also recommend the A87 to remain in the automatic settings. The remote control is a great tool, especially if your camera is mounted on any tripod. Now keep in mind, the gray button is for videos and the red button is for photos. The APEMAN app is available for both Android and Mac devices, which are already installed. In order to use the A87 app, you will need to press the up button to enable the Wi-Fi, go back into your phone Wi-Fi settings, and select the APEMAN network. This method is for both Apple and Android devices. let's try out the camera right about now. We are going to run a few errands all day into the evening. Now keep in mind, I am in the city, but hopefully when the pandemic slows down, I will eventually travel into a more rural scene. So with that being said,
All systems go.
pros of this camera are excellent price, an assortment of accessories, personal suitcase, 2 batteries, and has a very nice stabilization feature that helps avoiding shaky videos. The con jobs are all videos are recorded with noise and it's not possible to get rid of it even with the post-processing, unless muting the whole video. Also, the 8-man app isn't very good. It constantly gets disconnected, which is very annoying. Another thing is the sensor is very basic. Highest ISO is 400, so in definition, meaning that the dark environment has terrible quality. So if you're a vlogger, social media influencer, or an action sports enthusiast, then you get a great idea of what you can expect from the A87. Additionally, the clips also show the performance of the camera. The A87 has managed to rightfully earn itself an excellent reputation amongst the media community that is still growing today, even though its successor, the A100, which is also available at Amazon. If interested in buying this action camera, I would recommend these items, which is also on sale at Amazon.com. Once again, hit the like and subscribe button and follow us on these popular social media channels. Once again, DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin. Thanks for watching and stay safe.